Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
What? We'll explain about a lot of the topic today. Today, I'm going to share my opinion about if you have a good time in one love or Beijing Indonesia and be. I'm a president, I'm a governor, I'm a mayor, including other children, you know what? They don't have a kid, they have nothing about that. But one day I have an ambassador or governor or mayor or president. First, I would like to give the law one first. That's now for the corruption. That's imagine that how many people in Asia, 1,700 million people, no one can believe it. We have 34 provinces in Asia, that 1,700 local languages. We are very in Asia. But Indonesia is a poor country. In East Java, North Java, West Java, they don't have a kid. They still, live under a bridge, and then in the forest, don't care. Then don't have to eat something or breakfast or dinner. Don't have anything about that. So not only for corruption from our give that penalty, but also for drug dealers. I do love for Mr. Jokowi because regulation is for law for drug dealers. Not only in West Sumatra or in Jakarta, but also in Aceh. Every single Canadian nowadays they buy drug dealers. I've learned why you can buy this only 25,000 or 50,000, you can share with them. My neighbor have a son that buy this only 25,000 or 50,000. Can you imagine that? How many Canadians nowadays, how population, is stolen by drugs? I've heard about that. So I'm not, governor, I'm a mayor, I'm a president. If I have to do that, I will tell that. Right, that's my time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.